Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a really quick unboxing for you guys. So a couple of weeks ago, I told you guys that I won a giveaway that was held by Miss LK, and it was with the Flawless Beauty. I've heard really good things about them. It's products that I've wanted to try. I've heard a lot of great things, but I just never got around to purchasing it. So she was doing a giveaway for Christmas time. I think she did 12 days of Christmas. I could be wrong, but I won this and I wanted to just jump on camera and show you guys what I got. I'm super excited. So I already opened the box. I didn't dig in yet. I just wanted to eliminate that portion. So as soon as you open it, there's a little note here from the company. It says, "Congratulations, we're so excited to add another flawless girl to our squad. We love seeing pictures of our customers with their new product. Don't forget tags in your post showing off your new flawless tools. Love, Flawless Beauty." So they packaged everything really nicely, and this actually got to me pretty quick, so that was amazing. So I am just going to So I have a couple of things here. The first one is this guy right here. This is the Finishing Touch Flawless Contour Micro Vibrating Facial Roller and Massager. The facial roller helps improve firmness, circulation, skin tone, and there's an under eye tone that helps reduce puffy eyes, dark circles, and inflammation. So this is what it looks like, and I'll just open everything so I can really show you guys what everything looks like. Oh, I'm struggling. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a battery here, and this is the under eye stone, and this is the facial roller. I do have a facial roller already, but mine isn't vibrating. So I'm really excited to see how this goes. And oh, so that was really easy to remove and just to place. So really excited about this. I'm trying to get more into skincare, and I do like my facial roller. So I'm really curious and excited to see how this is gonna work. And this is the other product. This is the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover. It removes hair instantly and pain-free. It has an 18-karat gold plated, a built-in light. It says it lets you see even the finest hairs, very discreet, it's gentle on all skin types, and perfect for facial hair. And there is a battery included. I am probably the most excited about this, and this is just coming out really ugly and taking forever. Oh no, that was my fault. There was a piece of tape on there. So this is what it looks like. The battery's here, and it looks like this is just supposed to clean out any of the little hairs that may get just in there. And this is the little device right here. It is really nice, sleek, very cute. I'm really excited about this. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know I use a little eyebrow razor to get rid of any little peach fuzz on my face. It just helps exfoliate your skin, get rid of any dead skin on your face, and it also helps your skincare products just really penetrate and work into your skin so you get the most out of your product. So I was looking for another device. When I was looking at this brand, this is actually the tool that I was looking into getting. So like I said, super excited. And this is the Flawless Brows. It says removes hair instantly and pain-free, is perfect for your eyebrows. Also 18 gold plated, gentle on skin types, built-in light so you can see the finest hairs, and batteries included. So I'm just going to take this piece of tape that's on the bottom so I'm not struggling. I really wish I had a little X-Acto knife. I'm trying really hard not to damage the box because I didn't get a chance to take a picture. But I wanted to really just show you guys what all the tools and devices look like. This is what it looks like. Again, the little brush to clean out anything that may get stuck in there, and the battery. These are all just really cute and just really nice, sleek packaging. I've never used anything like this before, so I am really, really excited. And I like that it's purple. And it says, for tips and tricks, visit us at flawlessbeauty.com/how-to. I'm definitely going to do that because, again, like I said, never tried anything like this before. So I want to make sure I do it right. And the last thing I received is this. This is the Finishing Touch Flawless Derma Play Glow. Lighted facial exfoliator and hair remover. Removes peach fuzz, exfoliates, removes, smooths. And this also comes with 6 replacement heads. It's a Japanese stainless steel, bright LED light. Did I say 6 replacement heads included? And battery included as well. Again, taking the bottom tape off. So it says the benefits of dermaplaning is exfoliates and removes hair, smooths the appearance of fine lines, improves the application of makeup and topical creams. I just don't want to destroy the box. I want to take a picture of you. I am just struggling opening this box. Maybe. Oh, that works better. Okay, so it was struggling on the top, so that worked out. So this is take 2. This is the tool, the device, whatever you want to call it, and these are the 6 replacements, so pretty much comes with 7, and then you have your battery right there. So these are the 4 things that I received in my giveaway. I am super excited to trying everything. I think the only one, no, never mind. I was actually not sure if there was something I wasn't too interested in trying out, but honestly, I'm really excited to trying everything. I really hope this is everything that everyone says it is. So I am not going to do a first impression. I want to really test out these products and then let you guys know what I think about it after using it a couple of times. There's a couple of products here, like these 2 right here, I don't think is going to take much for me to figure out. This is just a vibrating facial roller and under eye stone. And then this, like I said, I've been using a little razor to get rid of any little peach fuzz on my face, so I know how this works. The only difference is this has a little LED light so you can really see. But these 2 products, I've never tried anything like this before, so I really want to make sure that I'm using it properly for the first time. A lot of times, if you're not really sure how to use a tool or a device, it's not an accurate first impression because you may not be doing it right. So I'm going to test it out a couple of times and I can definitely do a review and let you guys know what I think about these products. But I thank you so much, Miss Lauren King. I really appreciate you giving me the opportunity to win this and having it sent out really, really fast. I am so excited to try this out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully it wasn't too long. I was having some struggles opening up the boxes, but it's only because I didn't get a chance to take a picture and I didn't want to destroy the boxes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.